Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Halloween in New York City and we are currently getting ready for a night out at the Dream downtown. I'm super excited to show you guys my costume. I am being Fran from the Nanny, the style icon herself, and Dave is being Mr. Sheffield. So I'm about to start getting my hair and makeup done. Can't wait to show you guys everything. So guys, Dave was just asking what the point of lip liner is, so.
Lip liner is a little bit more waxy than an actual lipstick, so it gives kind of a line for the lipstick to not spread out. It's a barrier to like define the lip, but then also to like contain the lipstick at the same time.
Yeah.
And it helps it to last a bit better throughout the night. You can put it all over the lip or just line, whatever you feel like.
And tonight as the Nanny, I am doing a big, bold red lip, so we need all the liner. And I'm gonna be drinking champagne, so definitely. The lip liner is a must. Look at this queen! Yes! Megan Fox. Slaying. And wait. Who are you? Who are you?
Kelly.
Love it.